Hi everyone, welcome to this week's tech tip. Today we're going to see how we can override the Cripple settings inside properties. So here we have a panel with two openings, a window and a door. And if I select my panel here and go to Properties, Miscellaneous tab, and then here under next to Structural Members, we're going to click on Edit. And now we're going to go to the last tab here. And this is where you can override the Cripple type and also its configuration. So let's just select another family here, just so we can visualize properly. Let's just set it to wood family. And then here under configuration, we have normal, which is just a single stud. Double is two studs, one next to each other, back to back, face to face, interlock. Those three options are available only for light gauge. It wouldn't make sense to work with wood. And then we have triple. So let's just select double for now and click close. Okay. And now, as you can see, only the cripples got changed. We have double cripples here, and we also have our family that we selected. It's a wood column. Just one thing to note is that if you're using a marker, if you were to apply a marker for this door, for example, some changes made inside properties, they will be overridden. So this is just something that we need to pay attention to. If you're using only the openings tab inside properties, then this is the way you can override the cripples. If you're using markers, you should do that inside the marker. So as you can see, because we're using the default marker here, it got changed back to the default family, which is a light gauge. So this is just something to note. And just as a last example, let's override this again and put it back to a light gauge family and try to use one of those options for light gauge. So let's go back here to structural members, miscellaneous tab. Let's use let's set it back to this family here. And then let's try the back to back. So there it is. Then for this situation, we have two cripples and they are back to back with each other. And that is it for this week's tech tip. Thank you for watching and see you next week.